Hello and welcome back to my channel. I just received the brand new DJI Neo 2 last week, and after shooting my first videos and photos, as usual I started downloading via the DJI Fly App. Everything started normally. I saw the familiar downloading bar in the app and the little note quick transfer in progress, download and background supported. I thought, great, familiar stuff. But then, after the download seemed to finish, something new popped up on my screen. A completely new heading, processing, keep app running in foreground. Processing for my footage? Now that instantly made me suspicious. What's going on here? Why does this drone suddenly need to process my files after they've been downloaded? Is it a new codec? Is it some hidden stabilization? The very next day I export the video from my Apple Photos app using Export Unmodified Original Video to my computer. And that's where things got really interesting. After exporting my video, and when I looked at the file name, it had a new unexpected suffix attached to it, beautify. Suddenly the mysterious processing message made sense. But what exactly means processing? This isn't just a simple file transfer anymore. It appears DJI is baking in an automatic, non-optional post-processing step directly into the workflow for the Neo 2. So I decided to do a final test. What if I bypass this app entirely? I connected the Neo 2 directly to my computer via USB-C. It mounted little Neo as a standard drive, just like any external hard drive or memory card. I navigated to the folder and downloaded the exact same video file. And voila! To my relief, this file name had no mysterious beautify suffix in the name. This way, the direct USB-C connection is how you can get the true unmodified original version of your Neo 2 footage. Now that we have both files by now, let's compare the footage. Okay, here it is, the moment of truth. On the right, we have the unmodified original footage downloaded via USB-C. On the left, we have the beautified version downloaded through the DJI Fly app. I've been staring at this for hours, trying to spot the difference. Honestly, even pixel peeping, I cannot detect any obvious difference. I'm looking for increased sharpness, boosted saturation, or maybe noise reduction, but both files look similar to me. I decided to stop trusting my eyes and start trusting the data. Looking at the file properties, specifically the size and the bitrate, this is where the mystery finally unravels. Look at this. The file size of the beautified version is shorter. Even more damning, when I checked the actual bitrate of the video stream, the original file was around 69 megabits per second. The beautified version, it dropped to around 57. That difference, that significant drop in bitrate confirms one thing. DJI is re-encoding your footage to compress it. It means that during the processing phase, the DJI Fly app is taking the original, high-quality, high bitrate video, running it through a secondary encoding process, and saving it back to your phone at a lower, more compressed bitrate. So if you use DJI Fly app for quick downloads, you are not getting the highest quality file the drone recorded. You are getting a slightly compressed and re-encoded version. So if you're someone who color grades, edit professionally, or just wants to maintain full control over your look, you must use the cable. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the little video. And if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe.